magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat.
Magandang umaga po.
Alam po natin na napakahalaga ho ng PhilHealth sa bawat tao, no? Lalong-lalo sa mga Pilipino, syempre po. Meron ho kasing mga instances na may problema yung iba nating kababayan na naging miyembro sila one time, tapos po, yun nga yung sinasabi nyo, hindi ho pala nila alam, unaware sila na sila po hindi na pala miyembro dahil meron hong mga pagkakataon na nawalan ho ng pagkakakitaan or sabihin na nating lumipat ng trabaho, posibleng ganon, na hindi ho, na-discontinue po yung payment. So, ano po yung mga possibility pwede ho nating maitulong sa kanila kung ganon ang pagkakataon? Pangalawa po, hindi po ba po pwedeng ibalik po yung proseso na, kasi ho, meron hong 6 years ago, nung time na nag-apply siya ng PhilHealth discount, ay wala pa ho yung ID niya. So hindi ho na na-discountan yung kanyang hospitalization. Pwede po bang after yung moment na yun mai-refund pa niya? Yun lang po.
Medyo nahirapan po ako sa pakalawang tanong kung ano talaga po yung tanong. Sorry.
Matagal na kasi yung coverage.
Matagal na coverage. Kasi ganito kasi, probably I would answer this way. Health insurance po is different from other insurances. In the sense that health insurance, you always have to maintain your membership. That means you always have to be paid to get the insurance. And that's how health insurances are run anywhere in the world. So it's not po like a pension fund, like SSS, where basically certain benefits are vested just because you paid once. So this is not a pension fund. Health insurance is not a pension fund. And so the nature po of health insurance is you always have to be current. Now, if you're not current, then you don't get the benefits. If you never get sick, then tapos na, what you have paid will not redound back into you. Now, there is admittedly a pension component in the PhilHealth system in the sense that if you're 60 and have paid more than 10 years, you don't have to pay any premium. Okay? But in effect, you become a lifetime member, but still the principle that you always have to be current is kept. You just get vested. You're just not obliged to pay any premium, but the principle that you should always be paying currently should vest. Kumbaga nga, concepts like rebate, as you're describing, doesn't actually work. Okay, some health insurances in the world actually provide schemes like every year, if there's excess fund, they give a one-time gift or something. But that's something that we don't usually do in the country, but that's something we could explore. But I hope that answers po the second question. The first question po na tinatanong nyo is what happens if you lose your job? Then, well, the way PhilHealth works is you actually have 3 months to become a member again by paying for it yourself. Okay. Now, this is what we realize, and what we have shown is that when we talk to people in the informal sector, that means people that are not in the payroll, people who are in the informal sector, ulitin ko na ang word, informal sector. The way we deal kasi with the informal sector, there's basically 2 ways that we deal with the informal sector. If you're poor, and you're determined as poor, primarily by the National Household Targeting System of the DSWD, you're paid for by government. Or you could also be subsidized by local governments. So if you talk about the informal sector per se, a big chunk, malaking parte po nun, nagiging membro because they're subsidized and paid for by government. Now, the rest of the informal sector, how do they become a member? They have to pay for themselves. So what are we doing? We realize na ang importante is not really the amount, it's convenience. That the informal sector really hate that they have to travel miles and miles, kilometers, or they go to a bank, and the bank will not accept their payment because they only accept PhilHealth payment 2 hours in a week. And that's where we're focusing right now. We're going to make it so convenient for the informal sector to pay. How will we do it? We have come out with iGroup. That means if you are in a cooperative or something like that, you come in and we will consider you pay. We will have policy contracts. That means you sign up for 1 year. Kung makalimutan mo, okay lang, we'll just bill you. So that means it becomes much more convenient. There will be prepaid cards, which we will eventually be using. So kung hindi ka makabayad, hindi ka makabangko, you just buy a prepaid card, connect to a telco, and you'll be paid. We will be removing the banks as accredited collecting agents if they refuse to accept PhilHealth payments every day, every hour. It will take some time because baka walang naiwan kung tagalin namin lahat ngayon But we will insist that all banks that are accredited collecting agents of PhilHealth would have to accept PhilHealth members, PhilHealth payments, any time, any day. If they do not want to do that, they don't have to do business with us. We'll be putting it PhilHealth Express in all malls. We will have PhilHealth on wheels. That means to go to the urban poor, because the urban poor, the density of the population is a little different. So we'll try to bring in the office themselves into the urban poor. We're exploring accrediting local governments to become collecting agents. Some problems with bonds and everything. You know, kasi kung gobyernong kausap, medyo yung mga bonds, yung mga requirements na kailangan medyo maselan ng konti, at problema po ni Jan yan at ni Greg kung paano to solve that. But inconvenience, that's our magic word. We will make it so convenient for the informal sector to pay that once they're out of the job and they value PhilHealth, they can easily just walk into any mall, walk into any bank, walk into any nagbebenta ng telco, walk into any pharmacy, walk into any hypermart, and if you're in the rural areas, walk into any cooperative, walk into any rural bank, and you will easily pay and become part of PhilHealth again. Yun po gagawin namin.
Doc, final follow-up question. Yun na lang pong halimbawa po, bayad na po sila for the past 10 years and then suddenly na-cut nga ho. Ano ho ba yun? Waive na ho ba yung space na hindi nabayaran to pay another payment?
Well, health insurance kasi is designed that you have to be current. So even if you paid 10 years, I've paid more than, bata pa ako, nasa mas 3 years lang. Wala na po yun. Okay? The only value it has is once you're 60 and you paid more than 10 years and you're not working anymore, you become a lifetime member. That means, and marami na pong lifetime members, including my mother. She always loved to show her lifetime member card there. And at nakikita ko naman po dito sa kwarto, wala naman pong mukhang more than 60 years old and above. Wala naman po. Except po may dalawang taga-PhilHealth yata na, mukhang bata pa naman kayo. So this is something you will have to worry about once you become 60.